Looking for tools to help you get and stay organized? Here are some products that work well in different kinds of spaces is professional home organizer Megan Arthurs. And we were talking before, I think a mistake that a lot of people make, because there are so many of these products on the market, is that people go and buy them all and then get home and think, okay, now I'm going to organize.
Yes, I see it all the time, and it can be a little bit of a waste of time and a waste of money if you're not planning out your space. But I specifically today want to talk about 5 products that are versatile, and by versatile I mean it can grow with your lifestyle, it can change when your organizing needs change, because your organizing needs will change over time, and if you move, which we do, it can work in different spaces.
Okay, so kind of you want to declutter first.
Always.
And then, yes.
Always.
And then look for these products.
Yes.
So the first one's a Lazy Susan.
Lazy Susan. So this is my favorite organizing product because it really tidies up a space quickly, but it doesn't restrict accessibility or visibility. This is like organizing for dummies 101. Like if you struggle to put your items away, go for a Lazy Susan because it's so easy. Like there's no lid on it. There's no restrictions here. So I have arts and crafts in here for a child. You could put cleaning supplies in. You could use it in the kitchen for oils and vinegars. You could put hair accessories in, bathroom items. So really it works well in so many spaces. The turning makes it a little fun, and you can see through it.
And especially if you have like corner cupboards.
Always.
Yes.
Those are very tricky.
Yes. Okay. All right. And then what's the next one?
Okay, so we have a clear bin. I think when people think of organizing product, they like imagine a clear bin. It's just a staple in a lot of homes. So I have flowers, like pantry flowers in this one. Again, you can use it in so many spaces. You can use it in bedrooms, in bathrooms, in closets, toys. Again, if you're gonna opt for any sort of bin in your home, you want it to be clear. You want to be able to see through it so you know what you have.
Because otherwise, like you're pulling it out to see like what's in there and then you forget.
Yes. Yeah. If you can't see it, you know you're going to forget. You're probably going to go to the store and buy more, and it just creates this really horrible domino effect of continuously bringing things in the home.
Okay, we don't want to do that.
We don't.
All right, these are super versatile. I know we have them in our own canteen here in our kitchen for snacks.
Yes. Okay, so this is an expandable drawer insert. So it has a spring in it. So to work it, you simply press it in, and then you slide it in the drawer, and it's so simple. What it's really allowing you to do is just divide the drawer like the name itself. So these are actually like they're marketed for kitchen space, but I use them in bedroom space for like your wardrobe and
socks,
drawers,
underwear,
exactly.
T-shirts.
Here you can see I'm using it for water bottles. Also works really great for Tupperware, which is people's huge pain point.
Yes.
It's just so when you take things out, things aren't flying all over the drawer, right? If those inserts weren't in there, you know those water bottles would slide if you took something out. So it's just creating some great containment, and it's really simple. Really simple solution.
Okay, and again, you can use them anywhere. Okay, a neutral basket.
Yes, a neutral basket. I think sometimes we think if I have a basket, you know, I have to have 12 and they all have to be uniform, but there's nothing wrong with having like a little one off. But the thing is, neutral's key because it's going to work in different spaces over time. Like bringing in a bright red basket, that might fit with your decor now, but if things change over time, maybe not. And I like that it's labelless. I see a lot of the time now in stores that will say like toys or laundry on it, and I am, you know, I love a label, but I'm anti label when it's already predetermined because it doesn't work over time. So I have towels in this one. You could have it as a hamper. You could put your animal toys in it. You could put clothes in it, reading material. So again, it's working well in different spaces.
Okay, and this one is my favorite. Okay, I haven't seen one of these.
Yes,
but it's.
So this is an expandable insert.
Okay, and it doesn't do that well when I hold it up.
Yes, there we go. We can see now.
Oh, that's cool.
So what's great about the expandable feature is it can maximize the space in the drawer. Of course, you want to always measure your drawer first. This one, again, this is a clear acrylic insert. It's marketed for a bathroom space, but you can see here, I love it in a kitchen junk drawer or miscellaneous drawer. Stationary items, a bathroom drawer in your vanity works great. So lots of different options.
Okay, I think these are my new favorites.
Really?
I think I'm gonna have to get some. But I'm already organized. And I know where it goes.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks very much, Megan. We'll get your links up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.